Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS Virtual Camera on Umingle. First thing, open your OBS and then go where it says Scene, then add a scene. Then you can name it Virtual Camera to keep your things organized. After here, then you have to go on the plus side where it says Sources. Then here, click on Display Capture, then add the display capture. Then here you select the screen that you need to display and click on OK. After you're done, then go here and click on Start Virtual Camera. When you do this, then go to the website, go on Umingle and make sure you go where it says Video. After this opens, then here you have to select OBS Virtual Camera. And now you can show whatever you want on OBS using your screen. And you're done.